Today is June 20th and the time is at about 9 o'clock. Let's look at Nifty. Today, Nifty, again, Nifty also had gone through waves yesterday. In fact, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today I'm tracking Nifty to be between. This is 20 minutes chart and the Nifty to close between. I'm measuring this channel, but then being expiry day, the things can be very different. So today I'm expecting Nifty to close below 23,688 and hopefully it will close at 23,543. I'm rounding off and let's go to sensible very quickly and see how the open interest looks like. Nifty open interest PCR is 0.95. However, yesterday being a bank Nifty expiry day, it's very difficult for us to trust this. There are quite a bit of a call writings were done yesterday. I have overnight position today at 23,700, which I did yesterday, and I would expect at the opening I might probably make some money. Let's come back to it later in the day. Thank you. I just did my trades for today. Let me quickly go through what I did, and I think as of now it's about 48,000 rupees profit, and I did both Sensex and Nifty. Nifty, I'm still tracking to the same numbers that I said earlier, so I'll have to see if in case if Nifty falls below this level, I'll have to probably close the PA position, but right now I'm going to hold it. I'm still tracking to Nifty a closure of about 23,500 and then below 23,700. That's where my positions are here right now. And as I said, I'll keep watching. And I had put a stop loss for this after yesterday's lesson, which I missed yesterday to put stop losses and then got into heavy losses. So for 71 average price, I had put a stop loss about 140 rupees and starts with 130. It's a staggered exit, and also as you can see the quantities for 23,700 or 900 and 23,750 or 360, but for PA I bought only 180 lots, so even if it goes down massively, I'm not going to be panicked. At least one side I'm covered. I see Nifty is actually falling, which is a bit unfortunate, but let's see. As of now, it's about, I think 4,800. I'll keep watching this and then see how it goes. All right, here are my positions, and I am doing both Sensex and Nifty. I know earlier I did not talk about Sensex, but with the 0 DTE became quite volatile, I started doing 1 DTE as well, just to protect the capital in case if something goes wrong. Yesterday, in fact, both have gone bad in the initial 1 hour, so I have to exit Nifty. But then yesterday, if I had stayed with Nifty, I would have probably made some money, but that's all right. So we can't really go back to past. So Sensex, let me look at the position. So as of now, I exited 7,800 CE with a profit of about 50,000, and then PE and then CA both are in profits. It's a simple strangle. Unfortunately, Sensible doesn't show the open interest here. For Sensex, doesn't have data, and I used about 3 crores capital, 3.68 crores capital, and this is where it is. And I'm mostly depending on the profit that I get today, I'll either exit or move some of the positions tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. And when it comes to Nifty, I did one mistake. I think at about 10 o'clock or so, there was a, let me look at the sharp ones. So this is 1 hour. Let me go to 5 minutes chart. I think I think this move I have closed to 23,700 and then moved to 23,600 when it fell. I would have probably waited for some time, but then the moment I moved to 23,600, which is somewhere here. So 23,600, but then eventually that it started moving up and I have to exit because I do not know whether it's going to move up or down or false move. I do not know, but I just wanted to minimize the losses there that really impacted some action, but that's all right. Trading is all about taking some of those decisions. So let's see how the day would unfold. And also I added some positions to Yeah, this is what it was talking 23,600. When I entered and then exited in panic, I lost some money, but that's okay. I also added some positions to 23,500p, and at least, as I said earlier, I'm tracking still the close for Nifty is about 23,500p, and then 23,600. Maybe this might breach, but I'll see depending on how the day unfolds. And but right now, 23,700 and 23,500. Those are the numbers that I'm tracking. All right, Nifty did some up move after this time, which is about 940. I think it's probably will hover around this level, I think. Let's say I'm still tracking Nifty to about 23,500 and also below this particular line, which is about 23,677. Stayed as 23,650 at 23,700. So my positions, let me look at how they're doing right now. As I said, I'm trading both the Sensex and Nifty. Sensex from the previous one, so there was one more that I had to do because Sensex I saw it's going up a little heavily, so that's where I had to exit 26,300 and then move to 26,400. I have to exit with some negative out there, but that's all right. So C exited 78,500 C, and it actually now entered this to 78,400 and then 76,400. I think it's pretty much I'm in the midpoint, I think. Let me look it. All right, yeah, I'm exactly at midpoint, and then both the sides it's a 1.4%. Yeah, let's see how it goes. And now coming back to Nifty. Nifty, this is still 23,600 still is in danger, but I think compared to last 1 hour, I think the option price has reduced quite a bit. That's good news. So I think I'll probably stay here for some time and then see how it goes. And I did add some more quantity to 23,500p. As I said, my view, it stays about 23,500 closure. Let's see, things can go any side, any direction. Here, let me open this here. So yeah, 23,500 seems to be, it got both very strong put and then call. Let's see how the day unfolds, right? And 23,600, as I said, it is in danger, but then the put options are quite low here. And then when I go to 23,670, the put drastically came down. Let me get on to open interest. This is 5 minutes, and you can probably do for day. And then see, and this is a beautiful animation thanks to Sensible. 23,600, a big pillar here, and then puts are very low, and then as you go here, there is 23,600, not much of put. But if I see that Nifty is actually crossing this particular 23,550, I might want to really move this position because I do not want to risk this position at this point of time. So while Nifty is trading at about 23,533 right now, but then the synthetic future is only 23,517. So there is some bit of a bearishness there. Yeah, I think that's all for now. I will come back a little later. Not an easy day. I was at 8 lakhs profit on Nifty by 1 o'clock, but I think at 1:15 move, pretty much 23,600 CE. The SL was hit and then all the profits were gone. And right now, Nifty, I'm in negative. I still got, I think, another 1 hour or so. We'll have to see how the day would shape up. But Sensex saved me for today. I hope it wouldn't really turn to be negative, and I will see if I can bring the Nifty to green in another 1 hour. And I do not want to lose more than 1 lakh Nifty, and at least Sensex, I want to end that day in green definitely. So that's the main intention, not to make a lot of profit today. Let's see how the day goes. Thank you. All right, closing of the day, I pretty much closed the trades except Sensex. I'm carrying forward few positions rather. So Nifty, as I said in the morning, pretty much stayed in this range which I drew in the morning, which is 22523 and 22678. However, there was a false move here, which took away most of my profits for today, but that's part of trading. You just can't help. So after this up move, there was definitely some pullback, and then again there was an up move. But however, this pretty much stayed in this particular range for today, which is at least good. The prediction came right. But however, let me look at my positions once. So this is where I stand at this point of time. Yeah. So Nifty, as I said earlier, I was in 8 lakhs profit and then pretty much lost most of the profits at 115 move. But Sensex saved me today, which in fact Sensex I'm carrying forward some positions. But if I remove these positions, let me see what is the profit. So it's about 5,62,000. That's the profit that I got today, and I hope the day could have been a bit better, but that's all right. So at least some green is always good. So that way it's pretty much positive. So I kept this position open. I kept this position open. Let it expire automatically. So this was the biggest loss, which is this 23600. So this was the stop loss hit. Otherwise, I would have probably got this entire money. Yeah, that's. I think overall the day is okay, except those moves. But then currently expiry day trading became quite complicated. And if somebody is entering, I would caution to not to start with very huge positions, but then start with very small positions, few lots here and there, and 2-3 lots, and then see how the day would shape up. And depending on that, you can add additional positions. That way, you will be able to really understand the market and then gauge how the moves are really happening. Yeah, I think that's all. Have a great day, and then see you tomorrow.